What is a prosthesis? It's an apparatus built to replace a missing of part of the human being. It must be based on the specification and needs of the patient in a way to improve their quality life. The first upper limb prosthesis was registered in 2000 AC, was found in an Egyptian mummy. The prosthesis was attached to the frenum by means in a cordage adapted to. In the year 1400, the hand of Alt Rupping was built of iron consisting of a right thumb and flexible fingers. This could be fixed by a ratchet mechanism and also had mobile gears. The use of iron for the making hands was so recurring that Goethe gives name to one of his works inspired by the German Kneip Otto von Berlichingen by his iron hand. In the 16th century, the French military doctor Ambroise Paré, who developed the first mobile artificial arm at the elbow level, called it Le Petit Lorraine. The mechanism was relatively simple, taking into account the time the fingers could be opened or closed, in addition to consider of a lever, by means of which the arm could perform the flexing or extension. Pare also launched the first aesthetic leather hand, giving a new twist to the use of materials for design of on-line prostheses. In the 19th century, leather, natural polymers, and wood were used in the manufacturing of prostheses. The springs also contribute to the development of new mechanisms for the fabrication of force transmission elements. In 1946, systems of assisted propulsion were created, giving rise to pneumatic and electric prostheses. An assisted propulsion system is one in which the movement is activated by some external agent to the body. The prosthesis with myoelectric control began to emerge in the year of 1960 in Russia. Canterbury's hand Dunlop 203 uses directly movement technical links to act the finger similar to the human hand. The direct movement of the linking is used to reduce the problems presented by other hand design. Each finger of this hand has 2.25 degrees of freedom. The fractional part is due to the mechanism to extend the fingers that is shared by four fingers. The direct current motors give reduction by 16 to 1 years. Their size is 65 millimeters long and 12 millimeters diameter. Nowadays, the great technical advance was allowed to develop a new improvement prosthesis using devices like the microcontrollers as well as like materials such as carbon fiber, titanium, and fiberglass. They have allowed the artificial limbs to be stronger and lighter, and also to be adapted to the structure of the human being. The advancement of biomedical have been able to create robotic prostheses, which try to plan mm, face to the natural limbs. This, unlike all the prostheses that pro- process is taught through history, are connected directly to the nerves and thanks to sensor electrocodes, cables, processor, and monitors mimic the natural movement of the limb.